Hello, everybody. Yes, I'm here. I hope you had a great weekend, holiday, Thanksgiving, Black Friday, whatever you want to call it. I hope you enjoyed your time. I just want to make a very short video and talk about the overall market, which I created another video for our members only in our chat room. But now I just want to give you some hint and information if you want to be prepared for the next few months of market correction or crash, whatever you want to call it. So this is Facebook on July 25th. They um, they had bad earning and stock dropped something around 20%. And you see it went from 217, I would say its all-time high, to 131. If you go back to 3 years, you see this is all-time high. Even after the drop when they had that political issues and Zuckerberg went to Congress, the stock dropped and then it bounced and broke the previous high, made new high, and then it crashed. I would say it crashed because you see it went to um 2016 high. Basically, it wiped out the past 2 years gain. Those who bought Facebook in past 2 years, uh, anywhere from 2017 to July 2018, they basically gave up all the gain. And if they don't get out, they might uh, end up with big losses, I would say. So anyway, this is not investment advice. This is something that I just want to tell you, and I want to ask you to be prepared, study this stuff a little bit more. So you see Facebook dropped and then it went made a new high and then it started to go down. So on exactly the same day, July 25th, I basically ran this poll in Twitter. I said, do you guys think um, when Facebook dropped this percentage, that means the bear market is around the corner? And you see 40% of people, they said there is no correlation. So I would say 40%. These 40% of people, they need to study. This 36%, they say no, they need to study too. So I would say among these 36 votes, just 25% of people, I don't know if they really know what's the signs of bear market or they just randomly said yes. But I want to tell you, if you want to know more about the signs that each bear market has and basically gives the heads up before the market goes down to investors, go and study um, this book by Peter Lynch, One Up on Wall Street. If you know who is Peter Lynch, you probably know this is a very, very good book and you can learn a lot from this. I don't want to post the link below this video because people would say, oh, you have affiliation marketing and this crazy shit. So just go to Amazon and order this. It's very cheap. It helps you to understand how market works. Uh, you learn a lot from this book. Let's go back to uh, Facebook and SPY. The point I wanted to just show you is Facebook made a all-time high here, then it dropped, and then it bounced, made a new all-time high, and then it crashed. So few months after that, you see SPY dropped, bounced a little bit, made a new high, basically all-time high, and then it started to going down. So don't be surprised if we get a small bounce and it will go down. So and don't be surprised if we go to 2016 high, something around here, $228. I would say 230 in next couple of weeks or next couple of months. It's very possible we see the overall market gives up all the gain in past 2 years. So I don't want you to get panicked. That's why I decided to just give you this hint, and I don't want you to be surprised and shocked when such a thing happens. So just have it in mind and consider this possibility and trade accordingly based on this possibility. As I said, this is not investment advice, it's just uh, an opinion that I had based on the study I had in, I would say, past 5 years. So go and study that book. You will learn a lot. So thank you so much. As I said, if you want to join our chat room, send me an email. I might give you a little bit discount if I find our service a good fit for your trading system. As I said, I don't want to have a crowded chat room. I just want to have a good chat room that has traders who um, basically want to learn and who want to improve their trading system and become a professional trader. So you can send me an email if you have any question. I will post my email and how you can connect with me on the description of this video, and you can find me there. So have a good night. See you everybody in the chat room. Bye.